So we start off today's video with this big chop transformation. Looks like the stylist is doing a pixie bob for this one. Absolutely stunning. I love the shape and the texture that he did with this. And this is a great style if you do have hair on the thinner side and you're looking to add a bit of volume. Just gorgeous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some hot haircut transformations, hairstyle ideas. So if you are in need of a brand new hairstyle, you've come to the right place. So here we have another variation of the asymmetrical pixie bob. This is so chic and cute. I love the color she has with this as well. And then we move on to someone who has mid-length hair. The stylist chops off the hair in his signature ponytail cuts. And it looks like he's doing a nice mini bob for this transformation. Mini bobs are also trending next to the pixie bob style. Gorgeous. I love how effortless and chic this is. Very pretty. So now we move on to someone who already has a bob. The stylist works his magic, and it looks like she got a bit of a trim for this. Bit shorter in the back, making it more of like a pixie bob variation. I love the color. So beautiful. It's like a really dark ginger tone. Kind of like a brownish ginger coloring. Absolutely gorgeous. So then we move on to someone who has mid-length hair. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut for this transformation. I love it when they do these cuts and they have these very blunt lines to the cutting. So satisfying to see. Wow, look at the fullness of her hair. Her hair is absolutely gorgeous. So thick and beautiful, and I love the texture they created, giving it more of like a tousled bob effect. Beautiful. So we have a color change for this next transformation. Oh, wow. It looks like she went with like this blue silver coloring. Wow, this is such a pretty hair shade. Trimming of the hair just a little bit, giving off that mini bob shape. But I love the color. So pretty and very unique. So we move on to the next transformation. Looks like the stylist may be doing a mid-length cut for this one. Oh, adding in some curls. Wow, really creating a lot of texture here. Oh, absolutely beautiful. The curls are just perfection. Honestly, she looks like Miss America. Like she looks like she's about to go to like a Miss America pageant or something of that nature. She is absolutely stunning. So here we have a bit of a big chop. Looks like the stylist is doing a bob. Wow, this is an absolutely gorgeous bob. Did do more of like an angled shape with this one, longer in the front, shorter in the back. Beautiful. And I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I just like to see the bob worn straight, no curls, no waves, just straight lines. So here we move on to more of like a braided style. And then it looks like we have another color transformation. Cutting of the ends. Doing more like a layered cut for this one. Wow, look at that color. Beautiful caramel highlights were mixed in. Beautiful, really added to her complexion to make it pop. She has an amazing glow. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy all of the hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.